Today I got the GL.iNet Slate 8X. So I'm still working on my mobile setup, and this router I feel is going to be a big part of it now. So this is a Wi-Fi 6 router. It is a travel router. Comes with some documentation. The router itself, which is actually larger than my last one. So my rig was starting with this model. And what's the name of this one? Not sure what this one is off the top. Writing so small, but I mean, there's a size difference. The ports and everything else are pretty much the same, except this is USB C, and this is one of those what's it, mini USB. And this one is way stronger. I mean, Wi-Fi 6. I'm guessing it's got better range and everything on this one. Look at our cables. Got a charging cable, got a data cable, like a universal plug on there. And that's it for cables. Now, what I like about these routers, and again, I'm going to modify this one a little bit. Saw some videos of people doing this, so I'm going to try it. But what's nice about these routers is they accept multiple connections. So you could run a cable. So you'll have a LAN connection to your WAN. You connect a hotspot. You could connect your phone. You could wire whatever you can to like tether to the USB 3. You got wireless. Now it says cellular, but I'm not. I got to read about that because there is a slot here, but that's, to the best of my knowledge, is for a memory card. So I'm not sure what they mean by cellular. Now they do have a model that does take a SIM card, but I'm not sure what that means with this one. I mean, if there is a slot for a SIM card, that'll be great, but I'll have to read about that. But they claim 4 connections: cellular, Wi-Fi, because it has built-in Wi-Fi, Ethernet, you got your WAN port, and tethering. Now, I'm guessing they probably just mean you could take one of these cellular modems and plug it in here, because I've done that before on the other one. But it would be nice if this particular model, especially in my opinion, had a slot for a SIM card. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to play with it for a little while. I'm going to modify it. I'm going to explain the modifications in a future video. And again, still testing things out. At some point, I'm going to show the whole rig, probably the first iteration to what I'm going to settle with. And that's going to be it for this video.